Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Academic Junction. So in this video, we will be discussing about different programs that we are offering in CP1. So as you are aware that CP1 is an exhaustive subject, and apart from the content, what is required in CP1 is that you should be able to make the points, and that too in limited time frame. So we will be teaching you how to make points. Apart from going through the content, main focus should be on the points building exercise, because as you must be aware, there are different questions that come out of the co-reading, and you get tested on multiple case studies also. So the focus is on content plus questions discussion. So we have three different programs available for CP1. So first one is full, or we can say videos plus live program. You can check out our website for all the three programs. The link for purchasing the product has been there in the description box. So you can see on the website that we have three different programs. So the first one is videos plus live or full. So in this program, you get access to our lectures which are there on the portal. So we have different lectures, one for the content section, other for the past papers questions, then X series questions. So around 250 to 300 hours content is there, testing on different type of lectures. And if you are going to the content lectures, you can skip the co-reading. If you're going for the past papers lectures, you can skip your self-study doing of past questions, because from 2012 onwards, all the majority questions have been discussed in the lectures. Apart from the lectures, in full program, you get access to live sessions being held on weekend. So in those live sessions, basically, I discuss on the spot questions, and on the spot feedback is provided. So this program is suitable for those students who are appearing for CP1 for the first time and want to go for the content, plus they want major focus on questions discussion. So content plus lot of past papers are there in our lectures, video lectures, and apart from this, we are practicing questions discussion in the live sessions as well. And apart from the lectures and live sessions, you get access to chapter wise summary list. Basically, that's a list of questions of both II as well as IFOI past papers that you need to do chapter wise, and these summary list is already covered in the past papers lectures. Then you get access to assignments, unit tests, and mocks. So unit tests and mocks will get checked by us, and you will get detailed feedback on each and every question that you submit from our side. You get access to placement assistance as well, in case you are looking for job or job change as well. You can see on our website we have a placement section, so feel free to upload your resume there. And one more important thing is that you get access to weekly targets. Every Monday you receive targets from our side with respect to how to proceed for the entire week, so that you have in your mind that exactly how do I need to proceed. And there's a team who is doing video tracking also. So if you're not going as per the targets, if you're skipping the videos, or if you're not watching the videos, the team will continuously keep on sending the notifications, so that you are motivated to study. And we have 24 into 7 Q&A portal as well, where you can put your technical doubts also in case you have any. So we have lot of lectures on the portal, we have live sessions on weekend, we have doubt sessions as well, and at regular intervals we have Zoom sessions where we keep discussing different strategies and progress so far. And the validity of the program is limited to 1 year. Generally, most of the students are able to clear the subject in 1 year, but it can be extendable as well if required with minimum charges. Next program is, you can see a exclusive videos program, or we can say EVP. As you can see, the features for EVP is almost same as full program, except that you don't get access to live classes. So the only difference between full and EVP is that you will not have access to live sessions. So basically, if you feel that you won't be able to attend the live sessions, but rest, you want to go through the videos, you want to get access to targets, you want video tracking, you want doubt sessions, everything else to be same, and you want to participate in Zoom sessions as well, but you are not available for the live sessions being held on weekend, you can go for the EVP program. Another program is self-study program, or we can say SSP. So in this, you can see you will have video lectures, you will have summary lists, you will have assignments, tests, and mocks, but you will not be getting video tracking or weekly targets, because this program is specially designed for self-study only. All those who want to have access to our content, all those who want to have access to our lectures, but they feel the time is less for preparation, or they are repeating the subject, or cost is an issue for them, they can go ahead with this particular program. And the validity of this program is basically limited for one night based on your enrollment. For example, if you enroll in November, then the validity of this program is till next April or May. So you can choose the program based on your requirements, and the access also will be there as per the validity mentioned. Since CP1 is very big subject, exhaustive subject, so we have prepared special orientation lecture as well, for where I have told you that basically how we will be proceeding. So you can check out the link of orientation in our description box as well, or you can ask the team for the same on the number mentioned. Also, we have an entire playlist available on the website page as well, plus in the description box also the link for the entire playlist is there. In case you want to go through our content, or in case you want to see that how we are taking lectures, the playlist has all the different type of sessions, content sessions as well, plus past paper question sessions, case study questions sessions. So all the different type of sessions are there in the playlist. Plus, if you can see on the website as well, if you scroll down, there's a content section where there is an Excel file attached, where we have segregated our detailed content into different lectures. So the entire list of lectures is there on that particular Excel, in which you can get an idea that for which chapter how many lectures we are devoting. So still, in case after this you feel there's a need to talk to the counselor, or you require any assistance from our side, feel free to contact us on the number mentioned. Thank you.